Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Corvette key fob here. It works for these models 2020 and 2024 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2450, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to remove this mechanical key over here, and to do that, right here in the fob, right here, you see small button right here. Now you need to press this button, and when you press this button over here, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key, it's time to remove the back piece over here, this piece, and to remove it, just hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, and when you do that, here you see this hole right here. So this hole is around here, and now when you take the mechanical key, insert the tip here in this hole, insert the tip in this hole, and when you do that, when you insert it, this back piece will pop up. There is a mechanism right here, and this back piece will pop up very easily, and right after that, here you see this rubber that protects the battery. To remove the battery from here is very easy. You just need to take this piece with your fingers, remove the rubber, and right after that, inside you see your old dead battery like this, and it's with the positive side. To remove the battery again is very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip around here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, in the same place just insert your new battery, and also when you do that, make sure the positive side is facing up. So this step here is very important. And yeah, when you insert the battery, just snap this cover again in its place like this, and when you do that, now it's time to insert this back piece again. And when you insert this back piece, just start first from this side, insert first the upside, and now snap them together. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning here. And when you insert the mechanical key, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.